How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands in 3 minutes advanced tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise is going to be extensions. $50, perfect. Quick little break. Then curls. It's 40, keep going. 50, perfect. Quick little break. Then we are going to do squeezes. So squeeze really, really tight. This is actually called the claw stretch. And it's because your hands look like claws. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. We're gonna move our fingers like this, back and forth. Perfect. Then we're gonna do extensions. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.